The quantitative urine culture is an example of a direct or primary culture where we're setting up a specimen on the plate rather than a colony from a plate onto another plate. The first step is to label your plate, and most often in the lab you'll have a pressure sensitive label you can just paste on here. The minimum information you need to have on the plate is the last name of the patient, and we're just making up a name here. And then the last 4 digits of the accession number, we're just going to make up a number 2351. Today's date, and the source of the culture. This particular one is a urine. So I'm just going to put UR for urine, and we're going to be using a 0.001 ml calibrated loop. So I put 0.001 on the plate. Then you're going to get a disposable calibrated loop, 0.001 ml, and you want to just shake some out of the container like this, and then reseal it to maintain sterility. And then mix your specimen good. Take the lid off. And then you just want to immerse the loop in the urine. You don't want to dip it all the way up here because then urine will run down and you'll have more than the calibrated amount. So just stick it into the urine just like that. Bring it out, put your lid back on, and then hold your loop and your plate just like this, and you're going to make one line of inoculum across the plate, just like that, halfway between the divider and the edge of the plate. Then angle your loop this direction, and we're going to make really nice tight streaks all across that inoculum, all the way across the plate. We want to spread the urine out evenly over the entire plate. So we're going to make nice tight streaks across that inoculum. Now about here it's hard to get into the corners, so I'm going to turn my plate around and come back the other way. And then repeat that process for the other side. So then just put your line of inoculum across the plate like this, and then streak perpendicular to that all the way across the plate. Nice tight streaks. Evenly spread that urine over the plate. This really helps in quantitating the number of colonies that you have, to quantitate the number of colony forming units per ml of urine. And so now we're finished with streaking for quantitative urine culture.